Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can personalize touch controls of your Jabra Elite 5. So to do this, you have to be connected with the Jabra Sound Plus application. Next, click on the right upper corner settings icon and then go to personalize your headset. Right now we have to go for the mic controls, and you can do this for music and media control, incoming calls or active calls. Let's do this, for example, for the music and media. We can find single press, double press, triple press on the right, and the single press and the double on the left, and the triple press is not activated. So let's try to do something right here. Let's set, for example, the triple pass in the sound modes. So that's A and C, and hear through. We can also switch controls from the left earbud also. So on the left, on the single press, I would like to go for the previous song, so it's called restart track. And for the right one, the single press, I would like to get the next track. For the double press on the right, I would like to play and pause. And on the triple, I would like to wake the voice assistant. And here I'm gonna skip actually. So as you can see, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.